Fuck. That sucked. Oh, my bike's okay. Ugh. There we go. Ugh. Fuck. That was gnar. Bike seems decent. Try one more time. That was a pretty sweet fall. We're gonna try it again. Bent the shit out of my clutch. Still works though. Bent my shift lever, but I bent it back, so we're good to go. It's probably a lot steeper in person than it looks on camera. Stay on the throttle this time. All right, we got this. Damn, I'm nervous now. Let's go. Get it in first. Forward. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Oh, that was tough. Stoked I did it. Oh, look, we got another one. Back to back real quick. Whew, had to put my foot down, but made it. That's cool. All right. I'm stoked. Cool.